Thank you all for gracing this occasion. Now I request our head of the department, Professor N. Rajendran, to welcome the gathering.
Very good morning to one and all present here. Most distinguished and esteemed Vice Chancellor of Anna University, most respected and distinguished Dr. Sivaraman, today's chief guest, our beloved Dr. Murugeshwaran from Ayush, Delhi, Govt of India, Delhi, coordinators of the program, advisory committee members, directors, head of the departments, faculty from neighboring institutes, participants, research scholars, and ladies and gentlemen, good morning to one and all present here. On behalf of the Department of Chemistry, I extend a warm welcome to our Honorable Vice Chancellor of the biggest technological university in Asia, who is the distinguished scientist and technologist in the field of energy and an able administrator. He is a visionary leader who is easily approachable and down-to-earth person. With respect to research and development of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, he has executed 15 research projects, which includes collaborative projects with Technological University, Munich, Germany, University of Birmingham, UK, and Concordia University, Canada. Yes, also presently is executing a research project in collaboration with 7 universities on the development of renewable energy based on microgrid with a grant of rupees 15 crores, and another mega project jointly with IIT Madras in the field of solar desalination. He has published more than 225 research articles in the journals of high repute and 1 book chapter. He has guided more than 40 research scholars and 9 scholars pursuing their PhD degree. As per the Google Scholar citation, his citation index score is 14,856 with a H index of 63 and I-10 index of 177. In Anna University, the highest citation score is by our Honorable Vice Chancellor. Based on H index and total citation, is the first rank in Anna University and also in the field of energy and engineering, 5th position nationally and 113th position globally. Apart from this research activities, as the consultancy also, so equally he was participating. He has received 2 patents in the field of cool thermal storage and compressed air energy storage, and has filed 7 patents in the field of solar energy, solar and other energy applications. He has executed 13 consultancy projects for several industries in the area of energy technologies, thermal storage, CFD analysis, and biomass resource assessment studies. He has made a technology transfer with ETS Smart Private Limited, a Chennai-based company in the field of cool thermal storage system through Anna University, and 2 technology transfer through research project collaborations. He has received many awards that includes DAT Fellowship by Germany, recognized as a top 2% scientist in the field of energy, that is recently released by Stanford University. I think consequently, the 4 or 5 years he received a top 2% scientist in the world list, and he received a Bharat Jyoti Award towards scientific contributions in the year 2017 by International Friendship Society. He has received Tamil Nadu Scientist Award, that is stands for 2014 by Govt of Tamil Nadu, and is recipient of Active Consultant Award by Anna University, and Best Innovation Award by Anna University, Best Achievement Award by Apathare Chair for Power Systems, Anna University, and many awards, and the list goes on. So I welcome you, sir, on behalf of Department of Chemistry. I welcome our Chief Guest, Dr. G. Sivaraman, Managing Director and Chief Siddha Physician, Arogya Siddha Hospital, Chennai. He is a graduate from Government Siddha Medical College and doctorate from Tamil University. He started his career as a research residential Siddha doctor in 18 Siddha Hospital at Anna Nagar, Chennai in the year 1993. He started his own clinic, Arogya Siddha Hospital, in the year 1995. and incorporated as a private limited company in the year 1997. Arogya has grown in many phases. Dr. Sivaraman is now a member of Scientific Advisory Committee and Information Education and Communication, that is IEC of National Institute of Siddha, Chennai, and also working group, member in the working group of Ayush, Govt, India, and he is also a member of TKDL, that is expert group, and many key committees of Siddha research. He is an excellent orator and he motivates youngsters. His talk especially உன்னை தின்னும் உணவு உணவே மருந்து நாமும் வாழலாம் இந்தியன் ஃபுட்ஸ் இந்த மூன்றையும் சாப்பிட்டால் எந்த நோயும் வராது சித்தா மருத்துவத்தின் அற்புதங்கள் and also this goes on. And I welcome you sir and the Chemistry department and myself, and because I want to tell about Dr. Sivaraman. We met Director National Institute of Siddha, Dr. Meena Kumari, last week and discussed about our this national conference. She told about our chief guest Dr. Sivaraman. Many Sivaramans are required to enlighten and streamline the food culture that is ideally needed for our present generation. I am also happy to inform that his children, son and daughter, are alumni of our institute, that is biotechnology students, both of them, daughter and son, they study here in our biotechnology department. So I welcome you sir. I welcome Dr. Murugeswaran, Deputy Director, Medicinal Plants at National Medicinal Plants Board, Ministry of Ayush, Govt of India, New Delhi. Yes, he has contributed for survey and cultivation of medicinal plants program for more than 23 years as a research officer at scientist level 4 in Research Institute of Unani Medicine, Chennai, Srinagar, Kashmir. He also serves as Assistant Director in charge for drug standardization, Ghaziabad, UP, under the Central Council of Research Institute, Unani Medicine. Overall, he has more than 30 years of experience in the field of survey and cultivation of medicinal plants, biodiversity, plant taxonomy, and ethnobotany studies. I welcome you, sir. I welcome the directors, head of the departments, faculty from neighboring institutes, my own colleagues, research scholars, participants. I welcome one and all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your very, very sincere warm welcome message. I request our Honorable Chancellor to felicitate our chief guest, Dr. G. Sivaraman, with the memento. As a token of honor, I wish our head to felicitate our Honorable Vice Chancellor. I also further extend my request to felicitate Dr. R. Murugeshwaran by our coordinator of this conference, Dr. S. Anand Kumar. Now, I invite Dr. S. Anand Kumar, coordinator of this conference, to present the highlights of the conference.
Very good morning, one and all present here. Warm welcome to all of you for this wonderful event. I'm very happy, in spite of a heavy downpour that took place today's morning. I heard that there's a waterlogging in Anna Nagar and all. So in spite of this, I could see a lot of crowd here. So thank you for that. And the purpose of this today's conference, I think it's the right time that we should think about the mother health. And recent past, last week we witnessed a cyclone which has caused heavy damage. So you must be knowing the reason why, because it is the carbon is the culprit. So whenever you emit too much of carbon dioxide, this type of situation will occur. So keeping that into consideration, we thought this is the right time to create an awareness about how the plant-based medicines or plant-based materials can make us to realize sustainable living. In fact, in US and all, they've started realizing this. In fact, one decade in Walmart, they've started using bio-based plastics and bio-based materials. So the idea is to replace the fossil carbon with the biocarbon. For example, when you use 1 kg of polyethylene, actually polyethylene, every day you receive polyethylene. In the milk sachet, you can see polyethylene. And the polyethylene will not degrade. So 1 kg of polyethylene will emit 314 kgs of CO2. So if you replace the fossil carbon, polyethylene is obtained from fossil fuel. The same polyethylene can be obtained from biomonomers. So if you replace the fossil carbon with the biocarbon, the same polyethylene which you obtained from bio-based synthetic route, the discharge of CO2 is zero. So the idea is we want to replace the fossil carbon with biocarbon. That can be realized only with the help of plants that are prevailing with our ecosystems. And there is a program in US called LEAD. In fact, our vice-chancellor had been to Leeds last month, I guess. So this LEAD is leadership in environment and energy design. So according to this, if you are able to get the certification from LEED, so that particular building, it is carbon dioxide free or any pollution free environment certificate is given by this particular organization in US, and that is very soon is going to happen in India as well. And that is a reason why we are gathered here. Actually, we received 300 participants for this event initially. Because of this heavy downpour, in spite of which 200 participants have confirmed their participation. So that shows their interest towards this program. And we planned this event in the month of November itself. But unfortunately, our Deputy Director from National Medicine Plant Board, Dr. Murigeshwan sir, could not come because of this tight schedule. In fact, he is having parliamentary session next week, and that's the reason why we had to, make this event happen today itself. But we could receive a wonderful response for that. And another thing is, we planned the events, that is 2 days events. It will be very mind-blowing for all of you. So it will be excellent deliberation and discussion. And we have chosen a resource persons who have already worked in this area of research. They have got enough experience. In fact, one of the persons from Dr. Tirmalai Vasan sir, I think he has worked in siddha, and he has made drugs as well. Several drug components he has made from phytochemicals. So in 2 days session, you have medicinal plants of oil systems will be given by Dr. Murigeshwan sir, and role of phytochemicals in liver will be given by Dr. Tirnyala Sambandam sir, and effect and efficacy of phytochemicals influenced by electrical pulses will be given by our own faculty, Dr. Gauri Sri from Power Systems, who has extensively worked in the phytochemicals and the effect of electrical pulses. And similarly, Lakshmi Kandan from SRM University, applications of chromatography in phytochemicals. So, and we have got speakers from VIT, and from biotechnology. So one of the speakers is Dr. Sivaramamurthy. I think he's top 2 scientists across the world. So we have extensively worked in phytochemicals, so he'll be delivering talks. So 2 days will be very, very enterprising and entertaining, besides giving you some important information about the effect of phytochemicals for sustainable living. So with this, I welcome all of you this program, and thank you for the opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Anand sir, in briefing about the 2-day national conference, pressing the need of the hour to go with green initiative. I now take the honor on inviting our Honorable Vice Chancellor, who is a dynamic leader, great inspirer of our leading institute, to deliver the presidential address.
Best of this today's program, Dr. G. Sivaraman, Managing Director, Chief Siddha Physician, Arogya Siddha Hospital, Dr. R. Murugesan, Deputy Director, National Medicinal Plants Board, Ministry of Ayush, Govt of India, Dr. Thiringana Sambandhan, who is going to give a very good lecture in the first session, Head Department of Chemistry, Dr. Rajendran, convener of this program, Dr. Ananda Kumar and Dr. Rajesri, coordinators of this very beautiful program. I am very happy that this program is conducted in Anna University. I wish to tell why it is so important, and most of the people are going to work in this field only in the near future. I would like to tell starting from my research journey and connecting with how this program is very important. My research field, my basic research is in the field of heat transfer. I did my energy engineering, mechanical related energy engineering, and started working my research in the field of heat transfer. My professor, my supervisor, when he taught advanced heat transfer in this university, he used to talk physics with the mathematics. Physics with the mathematics. Then all my classmates, they struggled a lot. Even mathematics learning is difficult, but he teaches, the heat transfer is a physics, but he teaches with the mathematical equation. But all my classmates, they struggled, and I also, but somehow before my joining ME, I had some teaching experience, 2 years in Venkateshwara College of Engineering. I learned this heat transfer, so I could understand, though he was speaking in mathematics language. Then I understood the need for simplifying the subjects. Then I got the chance to take heat transfer in the last 30 years in this university. So I used to speak mathematics with the physics. With the physics. Physics only I will take how to simplify this, then only mathematics also you can make them to understand with the support of physics. So then I started my research journey, energy storage, thermal energy storage. Initially I did a lot of modeling, computer-aided simulation and all I got done. I published a lot of papers. But when I tried to get research projects, theoretical work we don't give any money. Then I started working experimental work. Okay, experimentally, then I started my research work in the field of some experimental investigation, how to compare my results with the experiment. That is what my objective is initially. But any development taking place means then we need to invent some new system. Development means we understood the material is the major area of research. Then I started my research from heat transfer, theoretical work to experimental work. Then experimental work to material side I entered. Then I entered in the material side, some material characterization, material synthesis. All these are it's a not engineering subject. Then I started joining with some chemistry and physics people. Then I started getting lot of research projects. I got after my joining with the physics and chemistry scientist. Then I realized that that also not sufficient to make new material. Any product development means the material should be smart. The material should be smart enough. The smart material, then it should be environment friendly material. Nowadays, people are very much conscious about environment friendly. Then everything should be, then again the word came the last 2 decades, people started telling about the sustainable material. Sustainable material, environment friendly material and smart material. All these, when we start thinking, finally I understood this biological material only will be the solution for that. Am I right? Biological material only will be the solution, because that is life, and we need to work on towards this biological material. Then recently I have got an opportunity to visit one of the lab in Japan. So our Indian student was working, he was there, and he is still working in the field of, that lab is called INJA Initiative of Biochemistry. INJA means Indian Japan Initiative, the field of research of biochemistry. So biochemistry, then I realized the nature is with the biology and chemistry. Right? The nature is with the biology and chemistry. So we need to, the lot of research potential, whatever we have invented is only some 10% of what is naturally available. So if you start working in the biology and chemistry, the transdisciplinary way, if you start working, we can identify how this human system is made up. Because anything it's naturally available means our body is also biology and chemistry, right? Biological things and chemistry. So one more thing, during my engineering research, I understood whatever, anything which we do some investigation, the ultimate solution is available in our human system. The ultimate solution, whatever be the research, whether it is civil engineering research, mechanical engineering research, electrical, electronics, computer science, everything, the ultimate solution is available in the human system. Civil engineering means how this buildings is constructed, lot of bricks, that is how our cell is, our body is also made of lot of small cells. That kind of cells no civil engineers can make. That nano cells no civil engineers can make. How this energy is converted into the mechanical energy, electrical energy. We take food, that chemical energy, how it converts into energy and how it is being utilized for all our human requirement. No mechanical or electrical engineers can work to that extent. So the control and instrumentation, our body is very, very sensitive. Very, very sensitive. Suppose if I throw a stone, immediately the other person's senses will work and immediately the hand will come. It's a big robot. So now we are working towards all our artificial intelligence and computer memories to create artificial intelligence. That artificial intelligence is, that means artificial intelligence is trying to approach the human intelligence, right? Trying to approach the human intelligence. So all that it is available in human system. Anything it's available in the human system. But if you see the human system, it is only biology and chemistry. So biology and chemistry, now only our chemistry people are going towards biology, and biology people are all coming towards chemistry. So this energy, if it is coming, then we can identify whatever I'm seeing, I'm very happy to see all our Ayush people, Ayush ministry, and a very good doctors from the traditional medicines are here as chief guests and speakers. So definitely they will throw a lot of insights of this phytochemicals, which how it is useful for our human system, how it will be useful for our human system. I am sure that lot of people who are here will become a great scientist in the coming days because of today's presence. I am sure that will initiate different lifestyle, and you will become a scientist of, this one day lecture also will make lot of scientist life, I am sure, because you are young, you can do lot of things in the coming years, but we are old, though we know many things, we have no life period till now to achieve that. So, but young people, if you come to know the knowledge and what is required, why we need to work on this, how it is to be done, a small introduction if you get, you can achieve a lot. Definitely you can achieve a lot because of our human system. Anybody, the ultimate solution, whatever research we are doing, one should know the ultimatum is there in the human system. If you are able to understand the human physiology and how you can monitor and control this human system, anything in this world you can control. Anything in this world you will get a wisdom to control anything. So that kind of awareness and information will be made available in the today's conference. I think I am definitely the kind of research going on in the biochemistry, that the initiative of INJA initiative of biochemistry, because these Japanese also, they understood the power of our traditional medicine after COVID. After COVID, many people in the whole world understood the power of traditional medicine. But traditional medicine, maybe the scientific proof may not be available, but it will all work. But our duty is how to make this traditional medicine and how to synthesize as a good medicinal herbs for our even food supplement, how to make. Nowadays, several pharma companies are doing extremely well if they understand the secret of this our traditional medicine and the value chain available in our biological material. Then they are able to succeed like anything. So not only that, there are so many, so you also should understand these phytochemicals, if they are, I heard that it is, what is that, color sensitive material also. If you are able to make some color sensitive material, you can create lot of instruments. So instrumentation, anyhow this Germany is doing extremely well in instrumentation because they understood the physics and how the physics and the chemistry knowledge can be converted into business. Because the principle, the property of these phytochemical materials, if you are able to understand all the different unique properties of this phytochemical material, if the researchers in the young age, if you are able to understand, you can do lot of wonders. The properties of any material is very important. If you are able to identify one property, with this property what and all you can do, then for which you need transdisciplinary knowledge. How to make use of this property for other applications, then you need other knowledge. That is why now we are making some MOU with the medical university and agricultural university, our biomedical students and other medical physics, chemistry students, biotechnology students should have one semester study in medical university. So from next year onwards, we are going to make arrangements out of 8 semesters, 1 semester our students, some of our branch students will be in the medical college, for which already we have made agreement. Like that for agriculture is also very important. So 1 semester study in agricultural university also we have made an agreement. Then how to make the syllabus for which we are trying. From next year onwards, some of the students from engineering will be staying in medical college and agricultural college for 1 semester. Also, we are making attempt to connect with the foreign universities, some 10 students in each university, for which also we are making an attempt. So, transdisciplinary is only the solution in the coming years. So, in that, the biology and chemistry will be the ultimate field to perform research and making lot of innovations and creating lot of products and to create a sustainable world in the near future. Sustainable world in the near future. This even I heard that from the research lab in Japan, that biochemistry lab, they are trying to solve this aging problem. Aging problem also with some phytochemicals they are able to solve. So that means what? If aging itself, if you are able to reduce all diseases, it is very easily it is possible. This how to work in the DNA level, gene level, with the phytochemicals. These phytochemicals have the power to control, because all chemicals only will come, it's making control our human system. So if you are able to find suitable material that will control in a smart way, means what? Whenever there is a requirement, that should control. So in a smart way of controlling our human mechanism with some smart material, that material should be sustainable and eco-friendly way, means it is the ultimate research in the coming days. So those who get some knowledge and good information from the speakers will become a powerful researchers in the coming years. Our university also has this biotechnology, food technology departments in the engineering institute. That kind of research is not there even in IIT and NIT. IIT and NIT have no departments of biotechnology, and that is the unique strength of Anna University, having biotechnology department and food technology in the engineering institute. So they get multidisciplinary knowledge, and those who are studying in the biotechnology departments are getting a lot of insights, information from this technical university. That is the uniqueness of this university. I congratulate all the people who have assembled here. You have very good opportunity, I feel. That is why somehow nature has pushed you to attend this conference, and definitely you will get very good information, and that will be very useful for your future career. And I thank all the speakers and chief guests, and particularly Dr. Murugeshwaran, who gave fund to organize this wonderful conference. And it is need of the hour. This Ministry of Ayush will become, I am sure, that powerful ministry after some 10 years, because everybody is trying to work in that direction. And that for any researchers, you should know what are all the activities that is happening in the Ministry of Ayush. Then you will become powerful. All the initiatives of Ministry of Ayush will be very useful, and that will go towards a sustainable way, eco-friendly way. So you all try to go through the Ayush Ministry website every day. You will get lot of benefits, and you will become successful person in the near future. I thank all the organizers and coordinators for this successful conduct of this workshop, and thank again for the opportunity given. Thank you.